girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have David here with the new song called The Bridge. All right, so a great song here. We can choose to go with this picking pattern, very easy, or with an easy strumming pattern. That is great. So let's start with this one. No need for any capo, but what we usually don't have is the drop D tuning, which we'll have now. So that is this E string here in the bass. It's tuned down to a D tuning. So what you do here is that you have to compare the open D string here to the E, and that will match just in a darker way, so to speak. If you don't know how to do this, then you can watch a YouTube tutorial on how to drop the D tuning there. What I do, that's a standard tuning. So you just take it approximately a half turn on this knob here, and you get around the D tuning. But to be specific, watch, like I said, the tutorial on YouTube on how to drop D tuning. All right, so when you have managed to do that, we will look at this song here, The Bridge. So we'll take a look at this notes played here, the picking pattern. So it starts in this position here. Right, you play everything for 2 rounds. So the 3 notes are 3rd on E string, 3rd on A, and 2nd on D. So you play that for 2 rounds. All right. Then we have the next playing here will be this. So that is open E string, then open A, and 3rd A for 2 rounds. Then the next 3 notes are, all right, play for 2 rounds like I did. So that is open A, 3rd A, and 2nd D. And the final grip here, so to speak, will be this. Also play for 2 rounds. So a little bit stretchy here, but you play 5th on the E string, 5th on A, and then 2nd on the D. And that's what's going on through the entire song. So slowly we had this grip. And then, all right, so that's one way of handling this song. You can also play this with a strumming pattern, and since this is a drop D tuning, it's enough to just hold a bar here on the bass strings, and you will just strum on the bass strings as well. So now we're just searching for different positions. So the first position here to place a bar here will be on the 3rd fret. All right, so you place the bar there, and the strumming here will be 4 downs. That's 1 round, and we'll play this for 2 rounds as well, in the same way as we played the picking patterns here. So 4 downs is 1 round. That will be 8 downs in total for 2 rounds. So on 3rd position, 8 downs. The next position will be open, so you just play open. And the 3rd position here will be on the 7th fret. And the final position on the 5th fret. And that's it with the strumming. So 1 round of strumming goes like this. Start all over again on 3rd, open, 7th, and 5th. right, guys, so that pretty much covers David's The Bridge. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please thumb up this tutorial and yeah, play tuned.